This weekend, Mozza and myself are taking the TE 300s to a beautiful place called Bushy Park. Bushy Park is a bit of a logging area in Tasmania, but some of it has been left alone. It's going to be quite a nice place to go. Rainforest and forestry. Good open trails, and yeah, we've been promised a bit of a good trip. Alright, stay tuned. One thing that I needed to do was to adjust my chain. I've already done that. And I'll have to lubricate my chain. Doing a bit of highway use this trip, so I'm going to run 15-13. 15 up the front and 13 in the back. I'm running heavy duty tubes, so this is a pretty good and safe setting. So we're going to be riding straight out the driveway today and up to Cambridge Park, where we'll be loading the bikes up. Now, Mozza and myself haven't done any riding for around about 3 months now, so we're a bit rusty. And it's winter and my back is killing me. Anyhow, bike's done, let's get on the road. This is my local town. It's called Subwell and it's in the southeast of Tasmania. It used to be a lot busier than this before COVID-19, but I can't say I miss it. I like it better like this, I think. Anyhow, we're just going to cruise through my little town and then across the causeways. So these are the causeways that lead into my town, Subwell, and at the end of these causeways is where all the jets used to fly into, bringing all the tourism into the state. Anyhow, just up the road here is where we'll load up my bike and then we'll go and get Mozza. Alright, all packed up.
What's up, Uxbridge Lodge?
Look at it!
Yeah, you're on my job.
I think we're staying in something similar to that tonight, man.
Lovely.
Look at it! Sam, how are ya? We'll just keep heading up the road, will we?
Big Jimmy boy, look at him! There's...
Look at the little hearts!
Look at him.
Look at it!
In 100 metres,
Got the
make a
brand new trailer
U-turn.
ready to go.
What's this? This is the Uxbridge... What's it called?
Apartments.
Head southwest.
Look at it. That's keeping the hut nice and warm.
Look on the front of it.
Tassie barrel. This is the old hut. Look at how cold my roof is. That is insane. Like, it must be minus 4 or 5 degrees out here. Bit damp in my bedroom last night. God, by the time I get home tonight, everything is going to be saturated. That is nuts. mission today was to meet up with a wise old bushman out here named Sam and his mate Reese. And we were going to be taken through to some really old buildings. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to be seeing, but anyhow, he's our tour guide for today. He's going to be riding a Can-Am quaddie, I think, and Reese is going to be on a RMZ 450. So anyhow, we'll meet up with these guys up the road here and continue our journey. And after that, I'm going to be taken out to a hill climb. Hopefully everything works out. Stay tuned. The Moz, the Reese and the Sam. Sam on the big Can-Am. I know all you YouTubers, why hasn't Sam got a helmet on? Listen, it's not my head, and you know what, if it was me, I definitely would have a helmet on, but some people just like to do things differently. Anyhow, Sam, I hope you're damn good at what you're doing. Anyhow, thanks for this, mate. Go to make a move on Reese here and fail. Maybe I should have set my tyre pressure a bit lower than 13 psi in the front and I would have got around this corner just nice. Anyhow, here's my fail. Enjoy. Whoa! This is bloody the Blair Witch Project.
Creepy, isn't it?
This is Blair Witch, mate. Wow.
Look at the old, I don't know, up
Bees.
2000 bees and throwing out the paper on the ground. It's January the 8th, that's what I thought was bizarre. The car up here, January the 8th, 2006, and that's the birthday. January
Whoa, Sam. And it says gay cowboy on it. Wow, look at that.
I reckon you could fix them, mate. Bit of life left in this.
Bit of life, the paint's still good.
It is on this side. You could hell turn it into like a little humpy. It'll take a bit of work.
Wow. Sam, I'm going to have to put so much beeping in this film.
Oh, no, it's not noticed.
Edited beep.
Oh, yeah.
This is your room also.
Bloke actually came.
Fireplace.
Collected all the honey and took all the bees.
Where are the bees?
Up there.
Oh, that's how it's full house.
Yeah, look, there's some.
Oh, look at the bees. Oh, I didn't see that before.
Yeah, they're everywhere. Someone stole bees. There's an XL250 behind the bees.
Oh, show that to the camera. The real man's bike. What a quality machine. What year?
$4 brand new.
That's more Reese's style there.
Oh, there it is there with the dollar coin.
Yeah.
It looks like Reese on it too. What do you got here, Reese?
96.
Oh, 1996.
That would have been a brand new bike.
Wow. Wicked, we've got timber. And look, there's a couple of restorations to be done in here. Bit of quality machinery just here. Oh, GT. The GT seat. Wow. What have you got, Reese?
I actually don't know.
Can we make something out of it?
I reckon it's old.
I do too, look at the writing on it.
That is
It's a mixer.
It probably is, you know.
A DJ mixer.
vacuum cleaner, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a vacuum cleaner.
A vacuum. Vacuum it up, Reese.
You're on my cord, bro.
Get off the cord. He can't get the bloody thing vacuum with you on the cord.
Jesus.
Oh, Reese. Anyhow, that was enough fooling around. It was time to get back to camp and go and have a look at the hill climb. This is the last couple of minutes of our trip. So to sum it all up, we had Mozza with a flat front tyre. We had Sam with a broken septic tank, so he had to head home, which left Reese and me, and he wanted to show me out to the hill climb. So here we go, this is the final part of the film. That's the hill climb. Oh, it goes again. Oh, it's so slippery here. Oh. Oh well, at least it's on the ding side of the pipe. Massive thanks to Sam and Reese for taking us on this awesome adventure. Sam, I'd like to see a helmet on you next time, but anyhow, you know the ways around here. Yeah, you seem to be doing it pretty well. Look after yourself, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. You.